Hey everyone, and welcome back to another simple Canva tutorial. And in this video, I will share with you a simple trick to make really tall letters or words in Canva. It is a cool trick that is useful if you want to make an interesting text in a big poster or banner. And it is actually super easy to do and looks really cool. So, let me show you how. First, open up Canva on your computer or phone. Once you are in Canva, open a new design. Now, click on the Elements tab on the left side. This shows you a lot of different design pieces you can add, shapes, icons, illustrations, and more. Type letters in the search bar and you will see options for individual letter frames. Pick one of the letter frames. Any letter will work. I'm going to use the T for this example. Drag and drop it onto your design canvas. To make the effect more interesting, I will add more letters. Grab all the letters, make them a little smaller, and move them into the middle of the canvas. Then grab the entire letter frame and pull up this icon to make the letters super tall and skinny. Make it as tall as you want. You can also adjust the width by pulling the sides in or out. Once you have the tall, skinny letter shapes you want, you can customize it. Click the color palette icon to fill it with any color you like, solid colors, gradients, patterns, you name it. You can also put an image or photo inside a tall letter frame. Just find an image and drag and drop it into the letter. To make a whole word or phrase the same, just repeat these steps for each letter. And that's it, you just learn how to make awesome tall letters in Canva. And it is pretty easy once you know the trick. Give it a try for the next big project like a poster, banner, book cover or whatever. Tall letters are eye-catching, fun design elements. So, let me know if you run into any issues or have other questions. I'm always happy to help.